So this is Divine Hectares Estate, Centenary City Enugu, and of course we came in from here. I showed the drive-through video. You can watch the end of this video, you see the drive-through. So I came in from here, and this is a fully built up estate. People live here, and just a few plots that are not built on. And one of them is this plot 18. You can see it's already cleared. It's cleared. Client is reselling. He bought from the estate and he's reselling, and he's selling for 35 million naira. You know, people live in some of these houses, like that one, this other one down the road. People live there. That other building, there's electricity. You can see there's water, and there's access. Security here is top notch. From the express, you're going to pass 3 different major security gates before getting to this plot, this particular plot. So this is the 500 square meters, and you can build a duplex, you can build a bungalow, you know, a very secure environment. You can see your neighbors have very beautiful houses at the back there, you know, so it is a very good place to buy. Call me today on 009673768. I can guarantee you that this plot won't last for so long. So it's important you call us today so that you can, you know, take advantage of this distress sale and buy, so that you can start building. This is a buy and build. For those asking for buy and build, this is a buy and build. You can build and move in today because people live in the environment. Okay, so I look forward to hearing from you. Enjoy a great day.